Hello friends, welcome to Toddlers land. Are you ready to ride with us? Let's vroom, zoom, and have some fun. Vroom, vroom, let's ride a bike down the lane and up the pike. Pedal fast and ring the bell, ding ding. Zooming past the flower smell, beep beep. Let's drive a car, zooming fast and zooming far. Through the town and past the park. Wave hello till it gets dark. Splash, splash, let's sail a boat. On the waves we dance and float. Water sprays from left to right, singing songs with pure delight. Whoosh, whoosh, let's fly a plane above the clouds, above the rain. Wings so wide, the engines roar, flying high forevermore. Choo choo, let's ride a train, jogging down the hill and plain. Clickety clack, and choo choo sound, over bridges through the town. Rumble, rumble, let's drive a truck, carrying loads with lots of luck. Big wheels spinning round and round, off we rumble, shaking the ground. Ding, 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 let's hop a bus, all aboard, come ride with us. Seats so high, the view so wide, laugh and sing on this big ride. Zip, zip, let's ride a scooter, speeding fast like a brave commuter. Tiny wheels go round and round, spinning joy with whirring sound. Bounce, bounce, let's drive a Jeep, bumpy hills and valleys deep. Hold on tight, the ride is wild, adventure time for every child. Yay, that was so much fun. Thanks for riding with us at Little Learner's Land. For more songs